become water drops.
So, little drop, why is your head smoking? We're about to start. Please get ready for it. Huh? What's going on?
Please wait for me. I want to go with you.
Where are they? Why are they disappearing immediately?
Because they have evaporated, which is a special phenomenon that only little drops have. Once the temperature rises and meets certain conditions, the little drops become water vapor. We will fly up to the cloud city in the sky. But how come I evaporate so slowly?
Because you're too fat, and the proportion of water in your body is too large, so you will only evaporate slowly. Here, let me help you. Hey, increase the bright light.
The light is stronger, but why do I still evaporate slowly?
I get it. I want to go to the city in the clouds as well. I'm leaving.
A balloon appears beside Little Shark, and he jumps into it. He is flying away. Why can you get a balloon? Why does it appear suddenly?
I don't know. The director arranged it. I'll go to the city in the clouds, and I'll wait for you. Bye-bye.
Hey, Little Shark, you're here too.
Little drops. Cool, you guys are clouds now. This is so much fun. Look, I can give you guys a new haircut.
Little Shark, what have you done to us? Oh no. Why is my hair so weird now? Little Shark, you're so naughty.
I think it's cool. Hey!
Suddenly, a cold wind blows. Little Drop and Little Shark are frozen. Little Shark looks like a piece of ice. The other little drops are becoming snow and fall back to the ground.
Oh, so, Little Drops, you are now snow. Welcome back. I and the mountaintop snowman have missed you so much. Hey, do you know what has Little Shark been doing recently? Although this child is so young, he is clever. Hey, Little Shark, do you want to join us being an iceberg family? So, now you become ice as well, huh?
Uncle Iceberg, when we were playing in Cloud City just now, a strong cold air started blowing because the temperature suddenly fell down to 0 degrees centigrade or even lower. We became snowflakes, which are made up of many ice crystals, and Little Shark became frozen to the ice as well.
Oh, I see.
But it'll be fine, 'cause I think Little Shark will melt soon. Now, you guys can go playing in my snow caves on the mountaintop. All right, Little Shark, we're going to go there. See you soon.